thanks for this time. And this is the first time I'm connecting. Pleasure to connect you. And sir, I'm actually business development head in the IT products and services company. So just during this pandemic, I felt whatever the method I used to find a prospect or the way I'm actually prospecting and trying to get new business and identifying new territories. So those things actually becoming challenging and too many things in front of me, not able to choose. And if I'm choosing any paid platform or else a trial of that platform, which can give me opportunity to search a lead or try to connect them in social media and understand if I could help them or try to prospect. So such things I am actually having in a confused mode and not progressing much. So hardly 100 in one is getting the next step in such kind of methods, and time is actually spent more than 70% in this searching itself. So
Great. And I think thank you for this question. I think this question will help everyone. And may I ask you whether you understand about funnels? Do you have a funnel installed?
yes, sir, I have.
So,
We
how are your funnels performing?
So funnel actually right now we have what to say people who approach us. That is one of the what to say inbound, and outbound we have cold and what whoever interacts and get to the next stages. We are making it warm and hot stages, and like
No,
who
is there any web page where the landing page is there where people come from the digital marketing and they sign up a lead? Do you have that?
Yes, we have that so
Hmm.
that they will download our product as an example, whichever what is the flavor they like, and that will be a business form where all the details they will fill up and download it. So the valid details, whichever we found, we are contacting back, and that's how the what is it, that method is going well. But in inbound, we hardly have success rate because many of them say it's a casual install. Many of them say it's just trying to understand for my future business, or sometimes I don't know when I installed. So it's becoming like if somebody says yes, I'm interested, definitely it is progressing further. But otherwise, the outbound for what we are searching for, we make 100, and again the ratio is very less.
And what is the product you are offering?
So we are into retail POS and transaction platform automation.
Hmm. So that's a very niche kind of service, right?
Yes,
So you need to find out the store owners, and they are not very tech savvy. I'll tell you why.
sir.
If you go to a store, what's your location?
Hyderabad.
Okay. So suppose I'll give you an example of the place I know. Right.
Sure.
Suppose you go to Chandni Chowk. Everybody knows Delhi, right?
Right, I know. Yeah,
There you will find all the shop owners who are using. They use the POS, right? Mostly.
correct.
There you will find they don't have time to even have lunch.
True.
Every time there are a lot of people standing, even in the COVID. There are
Correct.
three reasons. One reason is they have been doing this since ages. Second
Right.
is they are into the market wherein everything is cost effective. That means very, very cheap. Right?
Right.
You will not get prices except you get to Chandni Chowk or Khari Bavli kind of markets. Right? So
Right.
people
Right.
do come there.
Right.
Third, you get a lot of variety. That is why people go to these kind of shops.
Correct.
And these guys, they don't have time.
Right.
So I don't think so. They are very tech savvy, or they get time to go to Facebook or LinkedIn. And your social media lead capturing system, takes lead from Facebook, Google, and if what if that person is not browsing Google, right? Or
Right.
going through Facebook. That guy might come at night, and watch some Aaj Tak news, and that's it.
Right.
Some news channel, which is what I feel, this is very much
Obviously.
important, or maybe some, sports sometime. And
Obviously.
everybody's reach is not to Aaj Tak or such kind of channels, right? So
Understood.
in that case, what I feel is the right way is to go establish some canopies physically, and in the market run some offers, because that will give better chance. And that is exactly what Misho is doing, what Big Basket is doing. They have understood this. They are going out, talking to the people, inviting them for some get together, some kind of a small event, no, wherein they
Right.
are offering some food, some snacks, depending upon the region, right?
Right.
If it is Delhi, you can offer puri kachori. If it is
True.
Hyderabad, you
True.
can't offer puri kachori, right? We did one event in Hyderabad, and we said it was Shraddh. I don't know whether you know about it. And we said we will not be having non-veg. And a lot of people send us emails. We will not participate. If there's no non-veg, we will not come. So
Oh,
depends entirely upon the place. So Hyderabad, you should have
understood.
good non-veg snacks, and then people can come join in. And while they are eating, that is the opportunity to talk. That time you should explain them, have some chit chat, or make them sit at a nice place, give them seats, cover it, and show something on stage, and ask them to sit there, and food will come there, so they will listen
Understood.
to you. You getting
Understood.
my point? So that
Understood.
kind of, and they will become your brand ambassadors also. They will
Understood.
talk about you later on, right?
Right.
Because
Right.
if the and it depends entirely upon the taste of the food, right?
True.
If the food is not good, then beware what's going to happen, but if the food is good, they
Yeah.
will definitely talk about you, because you have given them a great chance, and let them know 1 day or 2 day prior to this, so that they don't come up with their own lunch,
True. Mm.
right? Because
Mm.
if somebody is carrying lunch, then again there is your response will be less. So organize an event in the market, inform 2 days prior to that. This will increase your engagement, and then while they come, ask them what kind of POS they are using, whether they are having any kind of issues with that. You might be having some USPs, maybe some the service, or maybe the price, right? Initially 99%, or maybe or you can say 90% of the decisions are taken on the basis of price, right? But
True.
later on, almost 70% are decisions are taken on the basis of the service, because this price might be negligible in terms of how much business they will lose if the POS don't work, right?
True.
So that is all you need to understand, and you can offer that. This is my take. I think this is going to help you a lot if you try this, right?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Any follow-up question, boss?
Yes, sir. Sir, in international market, we also offer these services for enterprises, wherein like even Deloitte and like Big Basket or else other firms who are into multi-chains. So they also have such requirements. So to identify them in early stages or to identify what they are in need of, because they might publish in any tenders or something. Tenders we are able to notify, but other platforms which actually notify us that multi outlets or entrepreneurs need it anywhere in the country. So, such things, any channel to identify
See,
or
this goes through the events only, and instead of applying to the tenders, it is the right opportunity to meet the decision makers. A lot of events happen all across the world, including SL events. Like, if you go to our Singapore event, and if you get an opportunity to speak for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, that time obviously you need to sponsor those events, or you
right,
need to be a participant. See, in online events, it's very difficult to get into the picture, right?
right,
So
right,
you might or might not get the opportunity to talk,
right,
okay? But
right, sir.
if you become the sponsor, and if the audience is right kind of audience, then you get a hell lot of value. So you can pick up those events internationally, and because you are the sponsor, they will listen to you, they will give you the right kind of space.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay.
Done, sir. Thank you so much.